Well, hey guys, we're here at Jeff's Auto Parts. I was coming by after I left Dollar General and I saw this out there. Can you see it in the reflection? It's a 1978. Jeff told me the name of it, but it's a camper van. There's the propane. We'll have to get Jeff to tell us a story on it. I like these cool, these are cool windows. What do they call them, level lower windows? It had been sitting outside for 35 years. The man he bought it in 1980, I think he said. There's all, it's all original. See, the canvas there's rotted. He's got the motor out. He's going to restore it. He's not a Volkswagen man, he said, but Westfalia Camp Mobile. There it is. Camp Mobile, Westfalia. Man, this is gonna be so cool. Stick shift. I used to work at a Volkswagen shop back in 1972 in Lake City, Georgia. That's up there around Morrow, just below Atlanta. He said it's open. I'm not going to force it. Let's see. Nah, we won't mess with that. Man, oh man, brings back memories. They have a get-together, I think, in Colorado. It's vans, but I think they have some kind of a Volkswagen. They may be the same thing, but we'll have to look that up. This is great. Good solid door. I'm not gonna mess with that. Let's get up there and look at it. Yeah, got rust, but shit, it's all doable. I wonder what that pipe is. Oh, that was exhaust, but I'm not used to these. When I worked at that shop, you know, that was in '72, and this is a '78. So, oh, maybe we had a few of them Volkswagen buses or something. I don't recall. I believe that's a gas tank. It was protected by Allstate. Here's the motor. Let's see. Oh. There's a light for it. See, motor's gone. Motor's out. There's the battery. Jeff says it's gonna be a long time project, but he said I'm more than welcome to come by and keep up on the progress on it. Let's see, let's get a little shot of that. Let you read that. Ooh. It's a customer of his. He's known for a long time. hey, it's not in real bad shape at all. Man, it's like Christmas. Well, guys, gals, everybody, this is just, oh, I can't tell you how I feel. It's great to see this. It looks like a drawer that slides out. There's the door access, I guess, to it. This is amazing. It's pretty solid. Rubber's all cracked. But wish it had been in the barn. Curtains, look, burlap. Everything's original on it. Let's see. Oh, 110. City water. City water. Look. We don't want to mess with that. Here's a vehicle inspection sticker. I can't make out the year. It is Westfalia. Westfalia. Leave a comment in the description down below. Somebody help us with some more information on it. Find out where the serial number is. Let's try the passenger door. This is amazing. Was this back from your hippie days, Hubert?
You what?
Is this back from your hippie days?
No, they ain't that old.
How you been? How you been?
I'm doing all right.
All right, man. Good to see you. Good to see you live and kicking.
Yeah.
I turned 65 about 6 months ago. I hope I got some more time left. I don't know. Whoa, there's a serial number. We might have to run that number. Let's make sure we got it. Yeah. There's a better view of it. Solid sound. Yeah, I'm glad about this. What that is. And be careful, it might be a wasp nest, but man, have to clean this out real good before we try and get it up. Maybe lubricate it with something. How about this right here? It's neat.
Hey, that's fine with you.